It's out in the sun all day, even though I have a visor. This stuff happens. So you can just see I glued that piece back on, and I tried to remove this once, and you start by pulling from back here. A lot of times these pieces break, and they also hold a lot of the weight of this whole assembly piece, so it might break on its own. And so we're gonna be replacing this setup right here. Make sure you don't throw this out, as you will be probably wanting to utilize your AC vents, as well as you need to make sure we carefully take out all of the components that fit in here. And so this comes all the way down here, and it stops, comes up, and goes around. So we'll go ahead and remove that now. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and remove this right now. So we're gonna basically put our hands at the very back of this. You can pull on this part, but it'll break it. But if you're supposed to go on the sides, you pull up and out. Oh, it's so sun damaged. Look at that. So pulling straight out. There we go. That pulls it all off. So yeah, it's definitely time for a new one. And so here's these pieces right here. Broke right off. Yeah, it was definitely time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get after these wiring harnesses that are holding this guy in. I'm trying to get a better angle of this. Alright, so here we got the wiring harnesses that go into the front panel there. But what I'm actually gonna do is take out the radio first. I'm gonna go ahead and undo those 4 screws right there. There's also one there and one down there. So take out those 4 screws, and that'll allow you to get a little more space. And coming down here, and you can get these wiring harnesses off properly. Go after these lower ones first. All 4 screws are out. Let's remove the radio. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the wires. Now, I had put in a speaker system in here a while back, so my connections aren't the same as what you should typically find back here. These ones are, let's see, plugs that pull in and out. Okay, those just pull straight out. That comes out. Alright, and this, of course, you just pinch down. It should pull out. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and undo the wiring back here, and then I'll go ahead and show you everything that's inside of here. It's a little cramped right now for me to try to undo the wiring. You can see it there. Alright, so we went ahead and switched over to the passenger side to get all this stuff out. You're going to have a lot more space with the steering wheel in your way. So first I'm going to go ahead and get this one. There's this yellow insert here. So I'm using a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to depress here and pry back. Looks like, there we go. I'm just kind of ejects it out. There we go. So we got one off. And now there's this guy down here, and it's best to push this in between the part that you depress and the black portion that it inserts into in the female piece. And you kind of pry in and push down. And there we go. Let's get that one. And then now there's these guys here. Looks like, let's get this one first. So here you might be able to see a little bit. So push down and in, and then kind of work it out. Pulls that one out. Okay. And then this guy. Let's see how this one's going to go. Okay. There we go. Okay. So you stick them in and then open it up. Do it to this side. Pull out a little bit. There we go. All right, so we got this guy off, and now what I'm going to do is start to take off.
Do